channel. It's Naomi Marie and I'm back with another video. So today's just going to be a little eyeshadow tutorial about how I created this rainbow look. If this is something you want to learn how to do, just keep watching this video. But before we get into the video, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go check out my recent videos, all of that good stuff. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey, we back. Okay, so I already drew out my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go through and carve my eyebrows out into, you know, the shape, all of that good stuff, so that it is defined. Also, excuse my nose. You know, it's in the process of healing. I ended up getting a keloid. Those are no fun. But anyways, so I'm carving out my brows, and then I'm just like pulling the remainder down. I add some more, and then you're just gonna like pat it out to where it's like tacky. I'm not going to set my concealer for this one, but first I'm going to go into this darker purple shade, and I'm just going to pack it on my crease and a little bit above my crease, slightly. I start off using like a little bit and just pack it as I need more, because if you start out with too much, then it's kind of hard to start over from there. So just start with a little bit, and if you feel like you need more, just keep adding more. So next I'm going to go into this orange shade, and I'm just going to put it on top of the purple color, but you're just going to blend these two colors out. Add more as you need it, but for the most part just keep blending. On to everyone's favorite part, cutting the crease. So what I do is I put a little concealer, I look up, and it gives me just, you know, the right estimate for where I should cut my crease if you don't know how to cut your crease. Normally I would use like a concealer brush or just something that's round and flat to where you can perfectly cut your crease. Whatever you use is definitely up to you. So next I'm going in with a smaller brush in a red color, and I'm just going to pack it in on the inner crease or inner corner of my eye, sorry. And you're just going to do that until you get build up. The next color is going to be orange that we're going to go into. And if you don't get a lot that time, it's okay, because you can always go back and just add more color if you want to darken it up. The next color that we're going to go into is a yellow shade, and you're just going to pack this on. Yellow can sometimes be difficult on darker skin tones, but just really keep packing it up there and it'll eventually show through. The next color we're going to add is this green color. You're just going to continue to pack this on as just what you were doing before. If you want to go back, like I said, you can always go back and pack more of the colors on. Try to get as close to the top of your crease as you possibly can, because you don't want it to look a little bit off. You want everything to look smooth. As you saw, I just went in with the blue color, and you're just going to make an inner V-like motion, like kind of like an arrow, I guess you could say. But you're just going to do like a V-like motion, and that's going to be your ending color. So next you're just going to go in and add your liquid liner. I used the black liquid liner from NYX. So for the inner corner of our eye, I'm going in with some glitter that I found at my local beauty supply and my NYX glitter primer. And I'm using one of the thinner Morphe brushes just so I can accurately put it in exactly where I want it to go. So you're going to start off using your NYX glitter primer, and then you're going to go in on top of that and add the glitter where you want it to go. Then I'm going back with the colors on the bottom in the same order, so starting off with blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Thank y'all for watching my video. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos on different looks. So yeah, I guess that's all. See y'all in my next video.
I know I gotta see you again.